Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert plasma equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to insert plasma equation. In this document, go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the plasma equation. Here the plasma dispersion equation. Now we insert it. Now we can see we insert plasma equation in this document very easily. Now we want to edit the equation, click the equation box and edit it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.